21s. So H21A. Now, if you're trying to fix something, which we were trying to get the rotation. Let's give everyone a chance, guys. I felt like the first jump with the fall was a little bit slower. This jump gets better, but we know we have a very specific goal on this session. The goal is for Manuel and Felipe to try and get a little more rotation with their piece. And so if they're battling to stay with, if we've got this happening, first of all, it's an over rotation from Felipe. So Felipe stay at this angle, and then Manuel match the angle in the center. See, right now we have that same really closed off picture here, really open picture here. And then look, back pair, they've done their move. So the front pair are now not focusing so much on fixing the block. They're trying to make the timing happen. And it happens again. And it's like, guys, we're doing a block drill. We're trying to fix something. So let's fix it. Let's build a really decent block. Let's have a look at the angle of the 21. So Fred, you should be on this angle. Here's the center. Here is the center. Fred should be at this angle. Yeah. And let's look at where this piece ends up. Almost 90 degrees off angle. Yeah. So we have a poor start to the block. We've got Felipe just trying to avoid Fred. Got this tiny gap for these guys to do their move, and this massive gap down here. Shape the block correctly, guys. It'll really help you out. I think you're doing a decent job on the front trying to fix it, but in general we just need better shapes. There's some better ones through the session as we start to get better builds. Still moving away a little bit from Marconi there, Fred. You see the angle, see the long axis here, and then this is the axis that the 21 needs to build on. It's just moving away from Marconi, giving those different shapes. Manuel and Felipe, does it feel better on the 21s despite the builds? You guys are going to have a such better time once the build starts being more precise. So the timing's better now, and the block does look better. But guys, if you're fixing something, fix everything. Fix the build, take the time. Once you've done a couple of reps, you can then start to pick up the speed. We're not trying to do competition stuff when we're in B slot trying to fix a specific block. And this speed that you guys are flying at now is much better. It's like 75%. But then at that slower speed, Fred, you'll have a chance to focus on those builds, to look at those angles. We've talked about it before on the 21s.